Hello everyone and welcome to this comprehensive tutorial on how to build a simple website using Brizy in 2024. In this video, I will guide you through the entire process step by step. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a fully functional website that you can customize to fit your needs. Let's get started. First, let's talk about what Brizy is. Brizy is a powerful, easy-to-use website builder that allows you to create beautiful websites without needing to write any code. It offers a drag-and-drop interface, a wide range of design elements, and customizable templates to help you build your website quickly and efficiently. Before we begin building the website, you'll need to create a Brizy account. You can sign up for a free account using the link in the description. Once you've signed up, log in to your account to get started. After logging in, you'll be taken to the Brizy dashboard. You'll be prompted to choose between creating a project using Brizy Cloud or Brizy for WordPress. For this tutorial, we'll use Brizy Cloud. To start a new project, click on the Create New Project button. You'll be prompted to choose between different types of pages. For this tutorial, we will create a website and a landing page. Once you've created a new project, you have the option to either start from scratch, generate with AI, or choose a pre-made design. Let's choose a template. Brizy offers a wide range of professionally designed templates that you can use as a starting point for your website. Browse through the templates and select one that fits the style and purpose of your site. Once you've chosen a template, click on it to start customizing. Now that you have your template, it's time to make it your own. Brizy's drag-and-drop interface makes customization easy. Here's how to do it. Click on any text element to edit it. You can change the font, size, color, and alignment using the text editor that appears. Type in your own content to replace the placeholder text. To add or replace images, click on the image element. You can upload your own images or choose from Brizy's library of stock photos. Adjust the size and positioning of the images as needed. If you want to add new elements to your page, such as buttons, forms, or icons, click the plus icon in the sidebar. This will open a menu of elements that you can drag and drop onto your page. Click on any button or link to edit its text, color, and link destination. You can link to other pages on your website, external sites, or email addresses. Brizy allows you to adjust the layout of your page easily. You can add new sections, adjust column widths, and rearrange elements by dragging and dropping them into place. To add new blocks to your website, scroll to the bottom of the page and click on the plus icon. Choose a layout for your new block and start customizing it just like you did with the home page. Most websites have more than one page. To add new pages to your website, go to the Pages section in the Brizy sidebar and click Add New Page. Type a page title, page slug, and description for your page, and click on Save Changes. Once your page is created, go back and click on the Edit button in the Actions tab. This will bring you to the editor. Here, you can edit your new page just like you did with the home page. To ensure your visitors can navigate your site easily, you'll need to set up a navigation menu. Click on the header section of your template and select the menu element. You can add links to your pages and rearrange them as needed. Make sure the menu is clear and easy to use. If you want visitors to be able to contact you through your website, adding a contact form is essential. Drag and drop the form element onto your contact page. Customize the fields to collect the information you need, such as name, email, and message. Configure the form settings to ensure submissions are sent to your email address. To help your website rank well in search engines, it's important to set up your SEO and meta settings. Click on the Settings icon in the Brizy sidebar and go to the SEO section. Here, you can set the page title, meta description, and keywords for each page. Make sure to fill these out accurately to improve your search engine visibility. Before publishing your site, it's a good idea to preview it to ensure everything looks and functions correctly. Click on the View button on the sidebar of the Brizy editor to see how your site will look on different devices, including desktop, tablet, and mobile. Make any necessary adjustments to ensure a responsive design. Once you're satisfied with your website, it's time to publish it. Click on the Update button in the Brizy editor to save your changes. You can choose to publish your site on a Brizy subdomain, connect a custom domain, or download your site to host it elsewhere. Building your website is just the beginning. Regular maintenance is essential to keep your site running smoothly and effectively. Here are some tips for maintaining your site. Keep your website content fresh and relevant by regularly updating your blog, services, and other pages. Use tools like Google Analytics to monitor your site's performance and make data-driven decisions to improve it. Regularly check for and fix any broken links on your site to ensure a smooth user experience. Regularly back up your website to prevent data loss in case of any issues. Now, let's look at the pricing plans offered by Brizy. You can always sign up for the free plan using the link in the description. The personal plan, starting at $19 per month, is ideal for individuals or small businesses looking to build and manage their own websites. It's perfect for bloggers, freelancers, and small business owners who need a professional online presence without the complexity or cost associated with more advanced plans. This plan allows you to build and manage one website. Hosting is included, ensuring your site is secure and fast. You'll have access to Brizy's intuitive drag-and-drop builder, which makes it easy to design your site without any coding knowledge. Additionally, you can use a variety of pre-designed blocks and layouts to quickly set up your site. Basic integrations with essential third-party services like email marketing tools are available, along with basic SEO tools to help improve your site's visibility on search engines. You'll also have access to Brizy's support team for any help or guidance you need. The agency plan, starting at $69 per month, is designed for web professionals and agencies that manage multiple client projects. This plan allows you to build and manage a larger number of websites, which can be a significant advantage if you have numerous clients. The agency plan includes advanced features such as white labeling, which lets you brand the Brizy platform as your own, making it ideal for agencies that want to maintain their brand identity. You'll also have access to premium integrations and more advanced SEO tools, which can help you provide a higher level of service to your clients. Priority support ensures that any issues you encounter are resolved quickly, keeping your projects on track. The white label plan, starting at $159 per month, takes the features of the agency plan a step further by offering complete customization options. This plan is designed for businesses that want to fully integrate Brizy's capabilities into their own services. You can remove all Brizy branding and replace it with your own, offering a seamless experience to your clients. This plan is perfect for agencies, web hosts, and SaaS companies that want to offer website building services under their own brand. The white label plan includes all the advanced features of the agency plan, along with additional tools and support to help you manage your clients effectively. The enterprise plan is tailored for large organizations and businesses with complex needs. This plan offers custom solutions designed to meet the specific requirements of your business. You can expect personalized support and dedicated account management to ensure that your projects run smoothly. The enterprise plan provides unlimited websites, advanced integrations, enhanced security features, and comprehensive SEO tools. This plan is ideal for businesses that need a robust and scalable solution to manage their web presence across multiple domains and markets. That's it. You've successfully built a simple website using Brizy. By following these steps, you can create a professional and functional website that meets your needs. Remember to take advantage of Brizy's features and customization options to make your site stand out. You can try out Brizy for free using the link in the description. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Please leave a comment if you have any questions or need further assistance.